Welcome folks to the new 2023 LIV. The purpose of this unit is to be ultra lightweight. I want to start in the front of the unit for you. If you notice, on the front here we only use a 2-inch ball. Most manufacturers have to go to a 2 5/16, but the LIV is so lightweight that we can use a 2-inch ball to hook to the towing vehicle. The next thing I want to go over with you is the electric front tongue jack. This is really nice on those dark nights, rainy, you get there and you're not fighting with your tongue jack. It also has a light on the front, as you can see. You can watch and make sure you're unhooking everything correctly. One of the things I really like is our little holder over here. It doesn't seem like a lot. What I like about it is, in most cases, this is where it goes. It gets run over, it gets ruined, it gets dirty, it gets dirt in it. This is just a small thing, but we have a holder here that when you're done using it, you put it in, it's upside down, the rain can't get in it, and it's protected. In the front, we have a 20-pound LP bottle, fully enclosed 12-volt battery, and of course we have the normal safety chains and the other things that are needed. Another nice feature that we have on the 2023 LIV is the rock guard. The rock guard is installed on the front of the LIV to protect the LIV from any stones or any debris from the road as you're pulling it. Very nice feature. Now if you look over here, this is the corner trim. Normally on a conventional RV, it's where the two pieces come together. Underneath this corner trim, it's a welded unibody construction. The reason that this is put on here is simply for aesthetics and protection. As we walk around to the side, we have kick-out windows for emergency use if it's ever needed. We have 4 jacks to stabilize it. Air conditioning. This is our outside shower. This is very nice if you have animals or little kids that like to get in a little muddy before they go in. You don't have to worry about it. This is your city water hookup. Of course, we have cable TV hookup on it. Very nice when you get inside. We have aluminum wheels, 14-inch, and we use radial tires. This is your 30-amp service here. This will service all of your interior needs for your AC units inside. You have a 6-gallon DSI hot water heater. That means direct spark ignite. So at night, you're not having to come out. If the wind blows out the flame, you're not out here having to try to light it in the rain. You just simply hit a button inside and this will relight itself. Our black and gray tanks are nice and easy. They're in a perfect location to make it easy to hook up. Now on the door side, we have a lot of nice features. We have 2 large windows for the bunk bed areas. This is an exit window, an emergency window if it's ever needed to be used. Although the LIV's composite wall is flame and fire resistant. One thing that's really nice about the 2023 LIV is we use a really nice electric awning. One thing you'll notice is LED lights along the top. At night, it's really nice. It gives you a real nice ambient feeling outside under the awning. But let me show you some features of the awning itself. Most awnings, if you leave them up and you get a lot of rain on them, you can rip the awning. And this particular awning that we use on the LIV, it'll automatically dump the water and it'll automatically go back up into place. So the chances of you damaging the awning in a bad rainstorm are a lot less. The other thing that I like about this is it's all electric. You push a button, it goes in. You push a button, it goes out. Here you have outside speakers, waterproof. They sound really good. We also have outside AC. So if you get the picnic table up close by and you want to hook up your George Foreman grill, or you want to listen to some music, you can do it right here. And of course, we have a 25-gallon water tank that you can fill before you leave so that you have water on your trip. Now your tanks inside are both 30-gallon tanks, one for your gray tank and one for your black tank. Let me show you the door area. First thing I want to show you is this patented step. This is called a solid step. It's a very nice step. You're not bouncing around on it. It's nice to get in and out. And we also put a lend a hand on it so that you guys we can get in nice and easy. And I'm going to show you how nice it is to walk into the unit. Now the door is a rounded door, so it doesn't, if the awning is going out while the door gets opened, it does not put a tear in it. This door has a nice screen door, but here's a really nice feature that nobody's going to show you on any other unit. At night, we have a nice curtain that goes on that door. This is the top of the line entry door that's out there today. We also obviously have outside lights. And let's go on the inside and take a look around in here. This is really important. You're going to have kids with you, or you're going to have other people with you. This thing is set up to sleep 4 people. We have a Murphy bed here, and we have a large U-shaped dinette. And I mean, it is great for the days that you can't be out on the picnic table. You can be in here with some really nice room. Under each of these, there is storage all the way around underneath. And we have little compartments everywhere where you can put things that you need to have that are easy to get to. You'll notice down here is your converter box. This converter box is a 30 amp box. It also has a built-in battery charger, so that while you're at the campsite, you're charging your battery. So if you do stop along the road, you'll have a fully charged battery to run a lot of the interior items on the unit. Let me show you this really nice fireplace. Nice ambience at night when you're in the unit. You may be watching some TV. And the really nice thing about it, you can change the color of the flame. You can also heat your unit with it. So the LIV comes with an air conditioner, and it's sufficient enough to air condition the whole area. We have really nice high-end cabinetry. So over in the kitchen area, we have a nice setup for you. We have a high-rise faucet for pots and pans, and we have a nice stove with a large burner in the front and a smaller burner in the back. We have lots of areas for your kitchen items. Let me show you the pantry here in the 23 LIV. It's quite big. This is where you can put all your pots and pans, where you can put your canned goods and other cleaning supplies. Here you have a stainless steel microwave and a large refrigerator for a smaller unit like this. The bathroom is really cool. The bathroom has a large shower. It's easy to get in, and it has this expandable shower rod that actually gives you so much more room inside the unit. It's nice for somebody that might be a little larger to be able to get in there and not be confined. The floor is all waterproof. You don't have to worry about any water coming off here and going on the floor, because this floor is 100% thermoplastic composite board. It won't hurt it. And we have a privacy door here. Next thing I want to show you is the bunk bed area. The bunk bed area is really nice. It's a really nice area. Unlike what you'll see under a lot of units, they'll use particle board. We use an ultralight thermoplastic composite board underneath here to lighten up the unit, and it will last forever. And we don't have to worry about stains or water or any of that. It won't affect it. We have lights in this area. We have our kick-out windows, and we have a regular slide window in here. And obviously, if you want, you can put in some TVs in this area for the kids. Under here, we have some storage. There's a storage area there. If you look down at the floor is an easy clean floor. The floor on this is a composite thermoplastic floor, no wood to rot, no worries about linoleum. We also put down what's called an aquadeck. Aquadecking is a marine product, and it's easy to clean. It's waterproof. You can just wash it and you're done. We don't have the conventional wooden floors that get water on them and come apart. So I'd like to go through our entertainment center for the 23 LIV. As you can see here, we have a 24-inch LED TV. It's a smart TV, okay? And it's set up right now so you could watch it from over here at the U-shaped dinette, or you could watch it while you're in bed. Now I can just move this TV back in. And here you have a nice high-end stereo system. We have speakers on the inside and we have speakers on the outside. Now this is the control panel for your new 2023 LIV. It's got a lot of nice features. Up along the top here, it tells you your tank and battery statuses. So if you hit your button here, the battery on this is fully charged because of course we have a built-in battery charger in our converter. This shows what we have: a third of a tank of fresh water. Our black water tank, which is the toilet tank, it's empty. And our gray water tank, which is the sink and shower tank, has a third, it's a third full. Now down here we have our water pump. The water pump is a DC water pump that you would use if you were pulling off at a rest area and you wanted to have water without plugging in. Here is your electric awning. It's going to bring your awning in and out. This is your exterior light. And this right here is the ambience light. The ambience light has lights underneath in the framework of the LIV, so at night it lights up your floor and it lights up the outside of the coach in blue. I want to show you the switch that runs your hot water tank. Here's your button here, and what it's doing right now is it's actually sparking out there to turn that hot water tank on, so I don't have to get out there with a match and light it manually. And folks, in the dinette area, we have a really nice skylight, give you some natural light while you're eating. And of course, we also have our regular lights on the interior if you have a cloudy day. We have an additional skylight. It serves two purposes. One, it gives you some natural light in here. And secondly, for someone taller, it gives them plenty of room to be able to stand and take a nice shower. So folks, that ends our walk around on the new 2023 LIV. I hope you guys can get one and enjoy it and live life to its fullest.